Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Subhisani. Hope you are doing great. This video is very important for the NEET MDS 2024 aspirant and definitely for the higher authorities. Because if we see the present scenario, All India Round 3 has started. They have started the registration on 12th and even the choice filling option has opened already yesterday. Although we don't have the seat matrix right now regarding the All India Round 3, but still the option is available and it is showing that it is open. Moreover, there is no update regarding the revised cutoff, and every year we used to see the revised cutoff. So first of all, it's my appeal that you make this video viral so that at least this thing get notified by the higher authorities that they need to release the revised cutoff for the NEET MDS 2024 aspirant. This is the first thing. Second, Maharashtra has also released their third round dates, Bihar also, Jharkhand also. So almost every state, nearly about every state has released their round 3 dates. So somewhere, somehow, it's a quite depressing and definitely a very stressful situation for those students who are not eligible right now in the counseling. Third thing is, it's my humble request that please release the revised cutoff for those students who are not eligible right now in case of the NEET MDS 2024, because if that is not there, then there will be no use to release the revised cutoff after the round 3, whether it is of All India round 3 or after the states round 3. It is of no use. Now, I know that I got a lot of messages and I know this thing that it is very stressful for non-eligible students. Some also assuming that the revised cutoff will come after the All India round 3 or maybe after the states round 3. See, if such scenario will be there, that the revised cutoff will come after the All India round 3 or after the states round 3, then it is of no use. Then better you drop this year, again prepare for NEET MDS and give it in March. This is the same scenario, because in this stray vacancy round, you can't expect a clinical branch, first of all, a good clinical branch like ortho, endo, OS. Don't expect such things. You only might have some pedo, perio and non-clinical branch. And then you need to think whether you want to take that branch or not. And even in case of pedo or perio, it is hardly 4-5 seats. That is the maximum that what I am saying right now. Still, I am expecting a less number of seats in case of the stray vacancy round. So, yeah, it's quite stressful. I know some has messaged me this morning that ma'am, revised cutoff release after the mop-up round in case of the 2019 year. Dear, at that time, the rules are quite easy. The seats are more. The aspirant who participate in NEET MDS, that is quite less. So, we can expect that, okay, at that time, you will get the seat. But at the present scenario, this year, the maximum number of the students have given the NEET MDS, that is 28,000. Moreover, the scenario which we come across as a counselor, we see in round 1, in round 2 of All India as well as of in case of the different states, there are very less seats left because nobody want to take a drop this year. Everybody wants to take the seat by hook or crook, by increasing their budget, by doing efforts, by traveling from Maharashtra to Uttar Pradesh. People are doing a lot of efforts to get one MDS seat this year. I have seen all these hustle throughout the NEET MDS counseling process because I know such students are there. My last word that please release the revised cutoff as early as possible, and if revised cutoff come after the All India round 3 or the states round 3, it is of no use. Better you will drop this year, prepare for next year and then come back to me for the counseling guidance. So that's all about the today's video. Hope you like this video, then hit the like button. Do share more as much as you can. That's all about the today's video. Thank you for watching.